everyone, this is Viveka von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer and co-founder of Vengreso. And one of my favorite tools on Vengreso is this background image or this banner image that you can upload. Now, if you want to create a background image, I've got another video on that. But for those of you who have a marketing team and they've already shared some options with you, let me show you how to upload those background images. If you think this is a good idea and your marketing team has not created any background images, we want them because they really help to brand you. They help to brand the company. They make your profile more visually interesting. They share your message. They share your contact information. So there's a lot of reasons to make sure that you and or your marketing department has created background images. So how do I add them? Once I have them, how do I add them? Well, it's not clear, but you're going to edit this whole top section just by clicking on this pen. So that is going to take you into the edit section for the intro, and that's where your banner image lives. And then you're going to click on the little pen over here, and it actually gives you the dimensions for your banner image. So if you have a marketing department, you might reach out to them and say, hey, I need you to create a background image or a banner image for me, 1584 by 396 pixels. They'll know what that means. You'll click on the blue pen, and then you will have the option of adding, if you've never added one before, of adding a background image. Or if you've got something that's not really reflective of your brand and you've decided to change it, you'll just simply click on Change Photo. Choose the image that you want to upload. I leave mine on my desktop so I can find it easily. Click on Open. That's going to upload it. You've got a little bit of positioning that you can do. So if marketing has sent you an image, it doesn't quite fit, you can move things up or down. You can zoom in or zoom out if you need to. You can tilt it one way or the other should you decide to do something like that. I don't think I'll do that though. LinkedIn even has filters that you can add now. Now these aren't like Instagram filters. Don't get all excited. This is more the ability to adjust light, focus, sepia, black and white, things like that. So it's a very easy way to add visual interest, branding, even contact information and calls to action to your profile, especially if you have someone like a marketing department who's already created it for you. This is Viveka von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with Vengreso. Of course, if you have any questions, you can always follow us at GoVengreso on Twitter, and come to our website at vengreso.com.